Today we are going to see Lalita Sahasranamam, Shloka 106, recitation and word by word meaning. Mooladharam bhujarudha panja vaktradi samsthida ankushadhi praharana varadadi nishevidha. Mooladharam bhujarudha panja vaktrasti samsthida ankushadi praharana Varadadi Nishevita. Mooladhara Bhujaruda Panjavaktrathi Samstida Angushadi Praharana Varadhadi Nishevida. Now let's see the word by word meaning. Mooladhara Bhujaruda. That means Devi sits on the Mooladhara Kamala. Kamala means flower. Mooladhara is the basic support in which Devi is sitting. So the lotus in which Devi sits, that is called Mooladhara Kamala. And it is described as a lotus with 4 petals. That's why Devi has the name Mooladhara Bhujaruda. Panja Vaktra. Pancha means 5. Vaktra means face. Devi exhibits 5 faces. That means Devi has 5 faces. That's why Devi has the name Pancha Vaktra. Sthita Samsthida. That means Devi has the importance or giving the part of the power on to the bones. So, Devi is presiding the bones in every living creature. So, for everything we need to have a strength in the bone. So, all the devotees needs to sustain a proper strong bones to do all the activities as well as the dedication to the divine Devi. So that's why Devi has the name Sthit Samsthita. Ankushadi Praharana. Ankushadi Praharana means Devi is always armed with a god and other weapons. So Devi holds Angusha, which is the name of the weapon, and as well as Devi has other weapons also. Prakarana means one device, something that you use to hit, or one which is used to support or protect ourselves from the other weapons. That is the Prakarana. Prakarana is giving back the hit or some kind of actions towards the enemies. That's why Devi always has the Angusha and other weapons. That's why Devi has the name Ankushadi Praharana. Varadadi Nishevida. Vara. Vara means Devi is giving the blessings. And Devi is surrounded by lot of Shaktis, starting with Varada. So, Devi will be attended by Varada and other 3 Shaktis. So, totally they will be surrounded by 4 Shaktis, and Devi is seated on the lotus with 4 petals. That's why Devi has the name Varadadi Nishevita. Mooladharam Bhujaruda Panja Vakstradi Samsthida Angushadi Praharana Varadadi Nishevida. Mooladhara Bhujaruda Panja Vastradi Samsthida Angushadi Praharana Varadadi Nishevida. Mooladharam Bhujaruda Panja Vastradi Samsthida Angushadi Prakarana Varadadi Nishevida. Thank you.